Welcome to Smart Science. Today we are going to learn new lesson home remedies for simple illness. Children, some simple disease treatment you can do it at home very easily. Sore throat and maybe some simple fever and other teeth ache, headache and leg pain and body pain. Simple disease treatment we can do it at home very easily. But can you tell? Observe the pictures given below and answer the following question. In this picture you can see there is a boy. Why is this boy arm in plaster? Could we have put his arm in plaster at home? Children, this boy he's got a his hand is broken. But this plaster work you can do at home? No. We had to visit to doctor for this treatment. This plaster work we cannot do at home. This plaster work only doctor can do. Why has this girl been brought to a doctor? In this picture we can see maybe she has a fever, she has a other disease. Why she has visited to doctor? It may be she has another disease. Why she has visited to doctor? It means she is not feeling well. She has a fever, she has another disease. That's why she is visiting to doctor. So some disease treatment doctor can only do. We cannot do it at home. Illness. When we are well, we feel hungry at the right time. When we sleep well at night, we have no complaint about digestion. Children, when you are fit and healthy, when you are physical fit and fine, we can do our work very easily. We are not complaining for any other reason. When we are feeling better, well, we are eating food at the right time, we are sleeping at right time, and we have no complaint for the food digestion and others complain. We are feeling very refreshed when we wake up in the morning. We feel refreshed or get up in the morning. We do not feel tired if we have been at work. Children, when you are physically fit and healthy, we are eating food at time, we are doing other activities on time, we are sleeping at night properly, we are not feeling any tiredness. But sometime for some reason we fall ill. But some children, sometimes human being may fall ill for some reason. Saku had a slightly sore throat. In this picture you can see there is a girl whose name is Saku. She had a sore throat. She had some ice cream. Children, during the sore throat, can we eat ice cream? No, because ice cream is not good. Ice cream is not good for sore throat. The next day her throat hurt and she found it difficult to swallow it. Children, when she suffer from sore throat, and then her sore throat become very hard. Whenever she is eating the food, her throat is become very hard to digest the food. When she is eating the food is very difficult to swallow. Mother made her gargle with warm salt water before and after the school for 2 days. What mother did? She made a warm water and she adds salt in it. What mother did? She had done warm water and she had add salt in it and she gives to Saku. Saku drank for 2 days. On the 3rd day, Saku's throat had stopped hurting. This was a simple illness. She soon felt better again. Children, this simple treatment mother can do at home very easily. But some danger disease treatment only doctor can do at the hospital only. A fortnight later, Saku's thigh fell ill. A fortnight later, what happened in the lesson? Saku's thigh fell ill. Saku's thigh got sick. She was running a temperature. Her eyes had become yellow. She was running. Her temperature become very high and her eyes become very yellow. She did not feel like eating anything. It means she is unable to eat anything. She is not feeling good. Mother took her to the doctor. What mother did? She took her to the doctor. She visited the doctor. The doctor said that Taj had jaundice. What doctor said? Her temperature, thighs temperature is becoming very high, and thighs eyes become very yellow. She is not feeling well. She is not feeling to eat anything. She is not comfortable. She is feeling very bad. She is not feeling well. She has a jaundice. But jaundice treatment we cannot do at home. Jaundice treatment, for the jaundice treatment we had to visit to doctor. What mother did? Mother has taken the tie and visited to the doctor. Children, it means some simple illness we can do it at home, and some and other danger diseases doctor can do. The doctor advised her to take complete rest for 3 weeks. What doctor did? Doctor had advised her कि she has a jaundice. She has to rest for 3 weeks. She has to take rest for 3 weeks. She also needs her to eat as little possible of things which contain oil, ghee or butter. This was not an illness that could be cured easily. What doctor has said? Tai has to take rest for 3 weeks, and she has to eat food as little possible. She can eat light food which contain oil, ghee, butter. This is an illness that can be cured very easily. What doctor has advised her to take rest and eat healthy food on right time. Right or wrong? Shripati and his younger sister Tara were walking in the field. Here in the lesson, children will see Shripati and his younger sister Tara were walking in the field. A snake bit Shripati. What snake bit Shripati? After biting Shripati, the snake wriggled away. Neither of them got a proper look at the snake. What? Shripati and his younger sister, they were walking in the field. What happened in the lesson? Snake bit to Shripati and snake wriggled away. Neither of them got a proper look at the snake. But knowing that it was a snake that neither of them got a proper look at the snake. But knowing that it was a snake that had bitten him, Shripati was frightened. He would shouted loudly for help. People came running. Tara was saying that Shripati should be taken to the Taluka place at once. The government hospital there would have the anti-snake bite injection to give Shripati, but no one paid any attention to her. People quickly got the bullock cart ready and putting Shripati in it, took him into the village temple. They called the village mantrik. He laid Shripati on bed. He laid Shripati on bed of neem leaves and began to chant mantras against the action of the snake's poison. In this lesson, what you can see, children, Shripati is a man who hurt from the snake. Snake bit him, but what his sister said, we should visit to doctor. Doctor will put anti-snake bite ka injection to Shripati. But what other people are not listening to Tara. What they did, they took him on bullock cart and they put him in village temple, and that is mantrik village. And what they did, Shripati now on bed, what they apply on Shripati leg, they apply neem leaves on his leg, and they began to chant mantra against the action of the snake poison. Is it good? Maybe it is it is good. Is it right or wrong? Can you tell? What do you think? Do the mantra act against the snake's poison? Was it right or wrong to bring Shripati to a village mantrik? Would you have taken Shripati to the mantrik to the government hospital? Soon Shripati felt better, but was that because the mantra acted against the snake's poison, or was the snake non-poison and the mantrik got the credit when he did not deserve it? What happened when a man got a hurt, snake bite him, what the other people said, कि they will not visit to doctor, they will not go to the hospital, they will take him village temple, and what they apply, neem leaves, that is good for the treatment. They apply on his leg and they do the starting chanting on the mantrik mantra. Some they do it. They apply on his leg, and then the Shripati is feeling better now. Home remedies. It is called as home remedies they had did. If an illness is home remedies, if an illness one that gets cured readily, one can try a home remedy. Do you remember? Sakhu's mother made her gargle her throat with a warm water, and Sakhu feel better in 1 or 2 days. Elderly experienced people in the family sometimes get such cure. If you have cold, if you inhale steam at a bad time, and take hot fermentation on the chest. Children, some some simple illness treatment we can do at home very easily, but some may be dangerous disease. The treatment only can do doctor in the hospital. Children, when you suffer from any danger disease, malaria, typhoid, cholera, jaundice, then we should visit to doctor. If someone is vomiting as a result of a fever or indigestion, it is better not to insist. It is better to not to insist on him or having a meal. At most, they should be given a cool lemon sharbat and something light like dahi bar to eat the next day. Children, when someone is suffering from vomiting, someone is feeling very indigestion. If some human being is feeling indigestion, so what you have to do with him? We can give simple food like dal, rice and dahi bath, simple food, and we can give him lemon juice, lemon ka sharbat to eat him. He will feel very relaxed and cool in digestion. If someone has a cut, bruise or small wound, it should be washed with the clean water and drop dry. If for example, when you are eating any vegetables, if he got cut, so what do you do? What should you do? We should wash our hands with clean water and dab dry. A tincture of iodine may be applied to it. Maybe some salt we should apply on cut. Then it should be covered with clean cotton and bandage. Children, when we got cut on our hand, we should apply simple tincture of iodine on cut, and we should cover with soft clean cotton and bandage. Even if an illness appear to be minor, it should never be neglected. Children, when you got minor effect, we should not visit to doctor. That treatment we can do at home very easily. Remember, home remedies have a limit. Home remedies treatment have a limit. If a person does not recover in a day or two, if the illness was, one must visit to go to a doctor. Children, when vomitings become very high, when temperatures become very high, when we are not getting any effect when we are not getting result in 1 and 2 days, then we should visit to doctor. Without doctor advice, one should never take any medicine that must be swallowed. People who provide health service in society. A service that take care of the health of the people and provide treatment for those who are ill is called health service and medical service. Children, those who are suffering from fever, leg pain, chest pain and earache and toothache and head pain and other diseases, typhoid, malaria, jaundice, they are providing health service and medical service for the people, those who require. Big towns and cities have a doctor. Children, in our cities and big towns, we have a doctors and clinic and hospitals. But in most cities and rural areas, there are government hospital and primary health center too. Patient can get treatment at the concessional rate there. Children, in some big cities, there are big towns and there are big hospital clinic. They have very well qualified doctors. Their treatment can be very better and at the hospital. But in some rural areas, the government hospital is made for the need for the rural people. The municipal corporation of big cities also run hospital that provide medical treatment. The municipal corporation also working for that, for the big cities and for the rural country, that the rural area people, needy people can get free treatment on the medical and medical treatment and the from the hospital. Government is working on them. What you learn? Some illness are cured quickly. What you learn? Some illness are quickly, but there are some that do not care very easily. Some simple disease treatment we can do it very home. That is called as home remedies. If it is getting effect on within 1 or 2 days, then it means we are fine. If we are not getting any effect within 1 or 2 days, it means we should visit to doctor. Minor illness can be cured with home remedies. Minor illness means simple illness can be cured with home remedies. Within 1 or 2 days we'll get the result. If we will not get the result, then we should visit to doctor. Experienced and elderly people in the family know of such remedies. Means those who are very elderly, our dadi, our dada and our mummy and papa, that they knows this treatment very well. For a cold, one can inhale, steam or take hot fermentation, and a lemon sharbat is good for someone who is vomiting. Children, elderly people, they advise us to take inhale, steam or take hot fermentation during the cold, cough and cold. And when we are vomiting, what they are advising elderly people to drink lemon juice, that is good for digestion. Always remember, mantras, incantation, magic spells, charm do not cure any disease, illness. What happened? This scientific thing, the children, mantras, incantation, magic spells and charm do not cure any disease or illness. Please share and like my videos and subscribe my channel for more.